Hi guys, let's kickstart the preparation for the CET exam, and the best way to get the kick is to give a mock. So that's the first advice I'll give you. Give one mock. Wherever you have joined, whichever coaching class you have joined, give one basic mock. That will give you a complete idea about what CET is all about, how to manage time. You will get difficulty in browsing through the session. You will get difficulty looking at 200 questions, scanning through the paper. So all those questions will come into picture. You will understand the difficulties of the CET exam. Plus, you also start loving CET exam because maths is very less, and main focus is on the logic session. So simple advice: give one mock to understand the paper. So what I divide, because at 200 questions, एक लकड़ी तोड़ना is very simple, but 200 sticks एक साथ तोड़ना is not easy at all. So what I've done is I've divided the paper into 8 parts. So that's what we have done at CET King. I've divided the complete CET paper into 8 parts. So quant 25 question, DI 25 question, verbal 25, reading based RC, para jumble, para completion, all the reading based question 25, logic 30, puzzle 30, critical reasoning 15, and visual reasoning 25. That's a complete breakup of the CET paper, and I want you to understand what are the changes which are coming in the exam. CET paper pattern drastically changed over the last few years. So if you look at the history of the CET exam, the first change came in 2011. 2011 there was a major change. They completely changed the paper pattern overall the exam. Before 2011, 2010 and all, the cutoff used to be around 165. So JB cutoff used to be around 165. It came down to 140s in 2011. Then 140 karte again the paper started to become easy. Till 2015-16. Again 2017 paper drastically changed again into a newer paper because IBPS came on board, so they drastically changed the paper in 2017. So it make no sense to give last year ka papers 2011, 12, 13, 14 because the pattern have completely changed. Fine. So we have to keep abreast with all these new changes. So because the out of 200 mark paper, for example, if I give a number, so around 120 mark paper was totally new. So between 2012, 2010 and 2018, almost 120, 60% paper have changed. So it's your duty to keep yourself abreast with all those changes. Fine. So what I'm doing is we are conducting this workshop on 1st and 2nd December. So December 1, which is tomorrow, we are doing the workshop in Pune. And December 2, which is on Sunday, we are doing the workshop in Mumbai and Nashik. So Pune 4 to 8 p.m. and Mumbai and Nashik is 10 to 2 and 2 to 4. There are 2 batches. So what I've done is I've created a WhatsApp group for Mumbai, morning batch, afternoon batch, Nashik and Pune branch. So cetking.com/workshop. This link is available for the next 24 hours because after that a lot of advertisers and promoters start coming onto the WhatsApp group and they start spamming the groups. So this group is for Mumbai, morning slot 10 to 2, 10 to 12, 10 to 2 and then 4 to 8. There are 2 slots. Now Nashik there is 1 slot and Pune there is 1 slot 4 to 8 p.m. So Snap and Med तुम 2 भी दे रहे हो भाई, सब अपनी जगह पे. I'm not saying कि बाकी एग्जाम छोड़ दो. Fine, because a lot of people came to me and say नहीं sir I want to focus on Snap exam. तो वो भी करना. उसके अलग से क्या पढ़ना है? Same syllabus is for Snap as well. Same syllabus is going to come in NMET as well. After CAT, if you remove that, every exam is based on CET exam. NMET came out of CET. Symbiosis, because it's a Maharashtra based colleges, they have to follow CET ka pattern so that they can attract more students. So if you're preparing for CET, you are anyway preparing for the other exams as well. So if you are in Mumbai, it's a 4 hours workshop. I'm also going to conduct the workshop in Aurangabad, Nashik, Aurangabad, Pune, Aurangabad, Nagpur and Delhi as well in the month of January, early January. Till the time you can join us online, or you want to join us for the classroom program, online program, you can join that as well. So online I'm going to conduct the workshop, but because this is a 4 hours workshop, I can't conduct in one session, so I'm going to break into parts. So I'm going to conduct a separate workshop for each of them and upload one by one so that or the online student can also use that. So what I'm going to discuss in this video, I'm going to go deep down into what are the changes in DI. For example, if I look at the quant section, quant is only 10 questions. Yes. So those who don't like maths, no worries, chhod do. Maths is only 10 questions. So you can survive CET, you can get into JBMS without even touching maths. DI 25, out of them 15 marks question is totally new. You have never seen those questions in your life. Verbal, new type of question, RC, so all these new type of question, I want to go deep down into everyone in this workshop. So this workshop is more about how to do, what to do, and where to reach, so that we can target these 200 marks. Your target is 140, which is the cutoff for JBMS last year. So that's going to be our target. Yeah. So if possible, if you can attend this workshop in Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, great. Otherwise, I am going to conduct online as well, and we are going to come to other cities as well. Alright, so we have updated our new mocks. I'm just launched our advanced mocks as well. We are updated our books. We have updated our classroom program and the online program as per this new paper pattern. So in case you want to join us, you can click on the description below and you can join us for the workshop, or you can join us for the paid program in case you want to join us. Alright, so all the best. Thank you.